You look comfortable and sleepy. You want to go get the mail with me? What do you think? Or you want to lay in bed? It's up to you, D. What you think, Bubba? What you think? Figured he wouldn't be able to resist. He always wants to be outside, don't you? Always and forever, he wants to be outside. Doesn't matter the temperature. Doesn't matter whether it's rain or it's shine. He always wants to be outside. You having fun, D? Hey, you got a big nose, huh? Like Rudolph, the red-nosed ass deer. You know, the day that I've had today on this cold day hasn't been terrible, but it hasn't been perfect. I spent part of my day, about an hour and a half, having to rip the tint off my windows so you can now fully see inside the car. I don't like that. I like my little bit of privacy I get with my tint. But unfortunately, the state that I live in, hey Bubba, the state that I live in does not allow for window tint. So that's an unfortunate thing. You can have it on an SUV or a pickup truck, but it can't be under a certain percentage on the front windows and on passenger sedans, four-door sedans, coupes, any sort of car. You're not allowed to have any tint whatsoever. It's all about officer safety. You know what? Blow me. What about my safety? Like, what is the big deal? It's a fucking car. Come on. Like, it just doesn't make any sense. I don't know. It's ridiculous to me. I think it is. And you know what? The whole claimant of, oh, it's for officer safety. Please, again, give me a fucking break. How many other states where tint is perfectly legal are there issues of tint being the cause of an officer getting injured? Oh my fucking God. Not for nothing, but if a cop is that scared where he's fearing for his life over pulling over a car that has tint, I'm sorry, but you don't deserve to be a cop. You deserve to fucking, I don't know, go be a prep cook. Get the fuck off the force, will ya? Grow up here. I'm just saying. Them's the facts, my boy. Them's the facts on it, Diesel. Yes, it is, big boy. Yes, it is. Anyway, beautiful skies, beautiful day. Beautiful.